This is a Ride One Up Limited with a 750 watt hub motor. Like a lot of e-bikes, it has limits on how fast it can go. Now what if this bike didn't have limits on it? How fast would it go? Well, today we're going to find out. Is get into the menu of the display. We're going to press and hold the top and bottom button, which is the plus and minus. Once we're in the settings, we want to select display settings, which is highlighted right now. So we'll press the middle button. And if you look at the fourth line down, it says speed limit class 2, which means that it is capped at 20 miles an hour for the throttle and 20 miles for the pedal assist. Now we can change that to class 3 by hitting the bottom button here. Now the middle one. Now the top button. Now it's in class 3, which means that the throttle is still capped at 20 miles an hour, but now the pedal assist is capped at 28 miles an hour. So let's hit the middle button one more time, and now hold it down and to exit and save. There. Now we have to go back in the menu. Top and bottom button, hold it down. Now we want to select the second line down, which says Advanced Settings. Bottom button, middle button to enter. Now if you look at the fourth line down, it says Speed Sensor 01. That means that the bike has one magnet, and the magnet is what it uses to determine how fast it's going. So if we change that to 02, now if the display shows that the bike is traveling at 20 miles an hour, we are actually going 40 miles an hour. So in PS5, Pedal Assist 5, which is capped at 28, now the cap should be 56 miles an hour, which I do not think this bike is going to go that fast, plus I wouldn't want to go that fast. So let's toggle down to speed sensor with the bottom button. And now hit the middle one. Now hit the top one, and that should change it to 02. Now we can hit the middle one. Now press and hold to exit and save. There. Now the bike is capped at 56 miles an hour. So we should be able to find out how fast this bike can actually go now. So the next thing we have to do is find a nice deserted non-public road, and we can try to see what the actual speed, top speed is. Alright, let's put it in PS5. And we're in the highest gear of the bike, and we've got our magnet set at number 2. Alright, let's see what this thing can do. Ten, 12, 14, 14, 7, 14, 8, 14, 8, 14, 8. That's it right there. That was maximum speed. That was it. All right. Maximum speed 14.9. So that's 29.8. That's as fast as this bike will go and PS5 and all the limits taken off of it. That's it. So not much more than it was before the limits. With the limits on, I could get it up to 29. So this is practically the same. Alright, now we're going to check our throttle only, see how fast it will go. Alright, let's reset our trip here. Alright, now this is going to be throttle only. Alright, let's see what it'll do. 8, 9, 11, 2, 12, 8, 13, 2, 13, 6, 13, 9, 14. That's it. Well, that's easy to calculate. Maximum speed 14.0. Multiply that by 2 and we get 28 miles an hour on throttle. So that's a big improvement. Throttle was capped out at 20, so 28 miles an hour on throttle. So not much difference on the pedal assist, but we gained a lot on throttle. So that's it. So now we know what the top speed on this bike is without the limits. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys.